Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. Today's video is regarding 3 ticker symbol, and I think these are very good buy, and I would say deep buy. And these stocks are PLTR, which is for Palantir, CHPT for Chargepoint, and also Cciv for the Lucid motor merger. And we know market has been coming down, and these 3 stocks actually are at a very good level, and I think this is a very good opportunity for making some swing trade. So in this particular video, I'll talk about this stock, their price action, the price target, some option activity. At the same time, should you get in or not. If you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. At the same time, if you want, you can always join the community and you can get member specific post where I alert about certain stock during the day, and also pre-market, some trade ideas during the day, when you get in, get out, what is the support, what is the resistance, this kind of thing. Anyway, and we all know that the overall market has been coming down. If you look at SPY for last 5 days, you can see it has been coming down, and we do not know, it might continue to come down. So it is always to have some money. If you are doing some discounted shopping, deep buying, always keep some money in case the market even drops even further more. But anyway, these are only paper loss if you do not sell. Anyway, so let's look at the first one, which is PLTR. So I'm showing you the daily chart. Look at the RSI. It went over 70, 74. It came down, and the current RSI is 32. Look at the history of PLTR. So it came below 30 only one time, and the current thing is around 29.30. Anything below 30 is oversold, so it might come down a little bit or it might not come back. Look at the MACD. Most probably it is reversing on the other side. The important thing is look at the chart here. Look at the chart, the daily chart here. So this is the bottom around 28.4. You see, whenever it came, it bounced only the last time during the earning and the correction period. It came down, but again it went up. So just looking at the chart on the technical side, I think 21.4 is a good time to enter because the RSI is low, the MACD most probably it is reversing. At the same time, this is a good support. If you want, you can get in with a tight stop loss, or you can average down if it comes lower. Why I'm saying lower? Because you can see last time it came around this area, which is around 18.5 area. So not bad. So anything from this area to 18 should be a good deep buying opportunity, and you can see that from 21 it loves to go to 27 area, it comes back. So you see a very good swing trade opportunity. At the same time, PLTR is a great stock. Why? Because if I go to Nasdaq, it has a price rating with a high of 30 with a low of 17. Current price is 22, but many people say this is a stock of $45 and $50. Do not forget, it went to 30 at one point, it went to 45, then went to 38, it came down. So this is a very good one, a good stock for good growth stock, I would say. Now from a daily, if I move the hourly chart, you can see that the RSI came way down and it has been going upward. The MACD is going upward, so most probably it is time it will just bounce. You can see for an hourly chart it has been going sideways, so hopefully this support can be held and it will go upward. If you want to buy some call option, look at the volatility. It is only 54.8, which is really low, which is good. And if you believe that PLTR will go to 27 again, then try to select a call option which has a break even of 27. So if you want, you can always take time. If you want, you can choose something in December of this year, so you will get 154 days to expire. And look at something here, right? Because if you take 21 strike, so you have to pay $3 and your break even is 24. If you think by December it goes to 24, this is a good one. So whenever PLTR will go up, your option value will go up, you can sell and lock your profit. You do not need to wait till end of December. And do you think it can go to 24? Why not? Because there is another level I want to point out here. You see here, many times it went and it was rejected for 23.8 or let's say 24 area, right? And 24 was a support last time. So yeah, looking at the current picture from 21.5, it can go to 24 easily. So in that case, if you want, you can choose 21 strike or even 22 strike. It's up to you. You have to pay more money if you go in the money. Otherwise, I would say try to select 23 or even 24 strike price if you do not want to invest a lot of money. try this call option. The implied volatility is not very high, so if the share price does not go up or goes sideways, you will not lose a lot of money. Okay, the next one. So the next one is CHPT, which is for Chargepoint, and it was a SPAC stock. We know it was SBE. It has a massive run up. It went all the way to 48. We know the new government came. They love electric vehicle, and there will be a massive massive investment for charging infrastructure under this government, so we know it has a good future, right? And if you do not know about the company, so they are an electric vehicle charging company. If you look in US, the market share is more than 70%, right? So it has a very good big market share, so they have the potential. So when there will be more electric vehicle, they need a place to charge their car. So look at the daily level, look at the RSI again. The current RSI is around 31. Last time it came to 30, below 30, it always bounced hard. It came here, it bounced hard. Same thing, the RSI is very low. I think again this is a very good opportunity for deep buying. Looking at the MACD, it might come down a little bit. And why? Because if you look at the chart, look how it is coming down. And if you do not know, recently they did a share offering, and just because of that it came from $35, it came down, it has been coming down. There was a light support around 24.5, but it has broken, and most probably it is coming towards the blue line, which is around 20.7 area. And you can see that these 20.7, 20.8, this area has been acting like a good support for this particular one. It came and bounced off. So again, if you want, you can wait for this to come around 20.8 area, and then you can establish a position. In case market is really bad, this thing can come also around 16.8, but I do not know. In the last correction it never came to 16.8 area. So again, if you believe that it will bounce from this area, this is an excellent stock to buy for a swing trade, at the same time for a long-term hold. Now look at Nasdaq. What Nasdaq is saying, it is saying it has a strong buy. And look at the names, big names here, with an average price target of 37, with a high of 40 and a low of 29. So even the low of 29 is higher than the current price of 20. So again, a good one. I think this is a good one. You should keep in your watch list. You should always look into this. Now looking at the call option, the volatility is 71%, and if you want to give it some time, I would say take a long expiry date. Maybe try again around, if it comes to 20.8, try to target an area around 27, 28 area. In that case, let's look at expiry date. Let's try again December. Let's see what's the premium. The premium is kind of expensive, but again, if you take 25 strike, your break even is 28. So you have to pay 330. Do not forget, this is 154 days to expire. December, if you want, you can take September in that case, and I bet the premium will be less. So you see the premium is 190, your break even is around 27. So you can also try the strike 25. You pay $190 whenever the share price will go higher, and you will make money. $1 increase will give you $44 increase in your call premium. Okay, so that's the one. And the last one is CCIV. Again, we know about CCIV. What happened? There's a merger. The merger will happen with Lucid Motors on July 22nd. It went all the way to 62, then came down. It has been coming down. If you do not know Lucid Motors, this is the car, beautiful car. I love it. So there, many people are saying this is a Tesla killer, but again, this is a long-term hold. But again, the merger will be on July 22nd. Now let's look at Nasdaq. What Nasdaq is saying, no data is available. Okay, that is good, but many people have a price target of 50, 100, even more. But whatever, just looking at the chart, looks like this is a good time, because you see the RSI has been coming down, and I think it might come down a little bit. The RSI around 33 area. And why? If you look at the daily chart here, currently it is sitting at 22.8, but I think it might come down more. If it can't hold the support, I think it will come down towards 19.7 or 20 area. But if things are good next week, I think it might have a bounce, and it can bounce from 22.8, it can run towards 27, 28 area again. And look, 28 is acting like a very good resistance for some time. If 28 is broken, I think this thing will go towards 32. But for now, I think if the correction is going to continue, it might come down towards 19.2 19.7 area. One more line I want to add here, I will say around this area. You see it was a support, it was a support here, it was a support here. This line is around 18.2. just keep the line in your watch list, or you can always set some limit buy order if it comes to 18 or $19 again. So when is the merger? So the merger is on July 22nd. The merger will be at 10 a.m. Eastern time. If you are a holder for CCIV as of record of July 21st, then you can vote, and from this channel I will webcast the event. So if you're a subscriber here, then do not forget to watch the webcast live from this particular channel. Looking at the option, we can see the option volume here. So let's have a look. So the implied volatility is very high, 107, and the merger is always risky. Sometime before the merger things go up, sometime after the merger things go down. Very volatile. In that case, I would say do not play with option. The volatility is high and you do not know which way it is going. For me personally, I would just play with shares. If you ask me, if you want, you can buy some shares around this price, 22.6 area, or you just wait for a dip around 19.7 area. I don't think it will come to 18.2, but who knows, if it comes, just grab more. Do not forget it went to 65 area, then it came down after the merger news. So anyway, these are the 3 stocks I wanted to talk in this particular video, and if you like this information, please do not forget to hit the like button. At the same time, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, if you want, you can join the community, and I just want to show you that during the day I post a lot of chart. These are daily trade ideas for the members only. You have to pay $3 per month, or there is another tier which is $5 per month, and you will get daily trade ideas, and you can see the support, resistance, get in, get out, those kind of thing, so that you can make money. End of the day, we all want to make money. Anyway, thank you very much for watching this particular stock. And oh yeah, this is the CCIV. Last time I talked, the break of 22.7, and we know where it went. Anyway, if you find this video useful, then I'm happy, and thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.